For today's video is how to use Instagram filters on our photos on our camera roll. So instead of actually taking a photo on Instagram, we're going to actually take a photo through our camera app and use that photo to rather use Instagram filters in that photo. So first of all, let's head on to the Instagram app over here. And by default, of course, this is what you will see on the feed. Then swipe left. And to see the Instagram stories uploading picture, the next thing that we should do is to click on the lower left corner of the screen, and over here we have different photos that we could edit. So for example, we could edit the photo over here. And to add Instagram filters on this photo, all you have to do is click on the sparkle emoji on the top right corner just beside the three dots, and then here we have lots of options for Instagram filters that we could actually use for this photo. For example, I'd like to use this one. This is a nice filter, right? So once you've chosen the preferred filter, click on done and click on the arrow button, and we have the option to choose to share it in the stories or our close friends, or either send us a message and a bunch of other people that we have as a followers. So yes, that's it. We can also actually download and choose to save this photo to our camera roll by clicking the three dots and clicking on save. And now the photo is saved, so we can also of course change the filter again, and let's try to add some notes, and you can also actually draw like this or change the filter like this. You can also save that, and basically that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like.